कांग्रेस पार्टी के लिए कुछ लोग फर्स्ट क्लास सिटीजन्स हैं और आप और हम सारे के सारे थर्ड।
बैठो आराम से बैठो।
आपने ही चेंज कराया, मुझे कान खोल के सुन लो, सत्य सुन लो, आपने ही चेंज कराया। अब मेरा मुंह मत खुलवाना।
The BJP has announced the nominations for the Lok Sabha elections with former Madhya Pradesh Chief Minister Shivraj Singh Chauhan nominated from Vidisha and Union Minister Jyotiraditya Scindia set to contest the Guna seat. The 53-year-old leader is among the 195 Lok Sabha election candidates announced by the BJP at its presser on Saturday. The first list includes several bigwigs including Prime Minister Narendra Modi, Union Home Minister Amit Shah and Defence Minister Rajnath Singh. After the announcements were made, Scindia took to social media platform X to thank the BJP top brass for his candidature. BJP's top leadership has given me an opportunity to serve the brothers and sisters of Guna. I am really fortunate. I thank Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji, Union Home Minister Amit Shah ji and BJP President JP Nadda ji. I am hopeful and have full confidence that the people of Guna will bless me. I will try my level best to fulfill the expectations of the people of Guna. फिर एक बार मोदी सरकार। ज्योतिरादित्य सिंधिया, scion of the erstwhile ruling family of Gwalior, rose to prominence as a dynamic and influential politician in India. Hailing from the distinguished Scindia lineage, he inherited a legacy of political acumen and public service. Scindia's political journey began in the Indian National Congress, where he swiftly climbed the ranks, showcasing exceptional leadership qualities and a deep commitment to the welfare of his constituents. Scindia was born on 1st January 1971 in Mumbai to Madhav Rao Scindia and Madhavi Raje Scindia. He originally belongs to Kurmi. Scindia is the grandson of Jivaji Rao Scindia, the last Maharaja of the princely state of Gwalior. His father, Madhav Rao, was a politician and a minister in the government of Rajiv Gandhi. His mother, Madhavi Raje, hails from the royal family of Nepal. He is married to Priyadarshini Raje Scindia. Jyotiraditya Scindia started his political career as a member of the Indian National Congress, the grand old political party of India, after the untimely demise of his father and the former Union Minister Madhav Rao Scindia in an unfortunate accident. He was then appointed as Minister of State with independent charge of power in the cabinet of Prime Minister Manmohan Singh administration until 2014. He continued to represent Guna constituency of Madhya Pradesh in Lok Sabha until 2019. In 2019 general election, Jyotiraditya Scindia lost the MP election as a Congress candidate from his strong bastion of Guna, Madhya Pradesh to Dr. Krishan Pal Singh Yadav, once the aide of Scindia family. Jyotiraditya Scindia left Congress party following a difference from the party high command and joined Bharatiya Janata Party with all his political supporters. Scindia was also very instrumental in toppling the Congress government in Madhya Pradesh, which reimposed Bharatiya Janata Party in power. A reward was always on for him from the Saffron Party, and he was inducted in the Modi cabinet as the Minister of Civil Aviation. In 2020, Jyotiraditya Scindia was elected to the Rajya Sabha as a member of BJP from Madhya Pradesh. Later in 2021, Scindia was inducted into the Modi cabinet as a Minister of Civil Aviation. Scindia, who moved to the BJP in 2020, aims to fortify his position in Madhya Pradesh's political arena through this crucial contest. As Madhya Pradesh gears up for the Lok Sabha elections, the contests in Vidisha and Guna are said to be closely watched. Modi has set a challenging objective for the BJP to secure at least 370 seats on its own in the forthcoming Lok Sabha elections, while aiming for over 400 seats collectively with the NDA. The Election Commission is anticipated to release the poll schedule later this month, with the elections likely to be conducted in April-May.
Subscribe to One India channel and never miss an update.